Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
A very warm welcome to the channel, Yummy. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. In today's video, we'll be making mango peel drink, which is super refreshing, tastes absolutely divine, and also look at some of the health benefits of mango peels. In this bowl, I have my mango peels, which is washed very well, and then I transfer it into a cooking pot. Now, I'm making use of both the mango peels and the mango seeds. Then I add in enough water. So the next step in this video is to add in some sugar because we are making mango peel drink, and adding sugar is really necessary. But if you want to make a healthy mango peel drink or mango peel tea, then kindly skip the addition of sugar. The amount of sugar you add depends on how sweet you want your juice to be. So feel free to add in more or less of the sugar. Now I'll start adding in some spices. The first spice to go in is some grains of selim. Then I come in with some cloves, some black peppercorns. Then I will come in with some fresh gingers. Now feel free to add in any spices of your choice. You can add in some lemon juice too, which is very okay. Then I added in a pinch of salt, give it a very good stir, cover the saucepan, and then transfer it to the fire. So let's take a quick look at the health benefits of mango peel. It helps treat digestive issues, it boosts our metabolism, it is really good for the heart, and also lower our cholesterol level. Now I boil it for about 10 minutes, lower the heat for about 5 minutes, and then take it off from the fire. Leave it to cool down completely. Once it is cooled down, I strain the liquid from the chaff. Now, because of the phytochemicals that is present in mango peels, it is really important for our system. It is also believed to be good for digestive health because of its fiber. But to me, I want chew mango peels. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A, K, magnesium, and also it is good for the skin by removing blemishes and dark spots. Now at this point, I'll keep it in the refrigerator to chill very well, and then enjoy my mango peel drink. So at this point, if you have not already, kindly take a second, like, subscribe, and share this video out for someone out there to also benefit from the video. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think Yummy Cash. These are other juices recipes on this channel. Choose.